On Blackboard, instructors occasionally place their students into groups so that they can interact with each other. For students, this is useful in terms of working on group projects and building a community amongst their classmates. As an instructor, you have the ability to set up these groups as well as how students are assigned to groups. To access this feature, in your Blackboard course, go to the Control panel in your side menu, scroll down to Users and Groups, and click on Groups. This will bring you to Blackboard's Group Canvas, which lists all of the groups contained in the course. Move your mouse over to the button labeled Create. You will see here that you have different options on creating your groups. In regards to enrollments, the students can either enroll themselves with a sign-up sheet, or you can enroll them manually yourself. Note that if you choose to create your groups in sets, you can have the students be assigned randomly. If you choose to create a single group to manually enroll students, you will be brought to a page where you will fill out the group information. Give your group a name and description, and make sure that the group is visible to all users. Below are the tool availability settings, where you can enable or disable certain tools that can be used within the groups, such as blogs, discussion boards, email, journal, and Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. Once these settings are in place, you can scroll down to Membership and click Add Users. A new window will pop up showing the course roster. When you find the students you want to add to this group, check off the boxes to the left of the list, and then click on Submit. On the page with the group settings, click on Submit. You will then be brought back to the group canvas, which will display the group you have created. If there are changes you need to make to the group, you can click on the chevron next to the group name and click Edit Group. From there, you can adjust any settings you wish and add or remove students. If you choose self-enrollment for your group, you will have to go through the same process with a few differences. The Group Visible to Students section includes an option that displays Sign-up Sheet Only. Also below Tool Availability, there is a section labeled Sign-up Options. Provide a name and instructions to your sign-up sheet, and then set the maximum number of members for this group. You can decide whether or not students can see the names of those who've signed up for this group, as well as whether or not students can sign up from a group listings page, such as a content area. Click on Submit when you are finished applying these settings. Finally, when creating groups and sets, after providing a name and description, you need to indicate how many groups are being created in this lot. After clicking on Submit, you will be brought to a page that lists all the groups in the set that you created. Here, you can give each group their proper name and add users into each group as you please. When you are done with this, click on Submit. Each set automatically contains 3 groups. You can delete a group by clicking Delete Group, or add more groups by clicking the button on the bottom labeled Add Group. As you see in the group canvas, the set of groups that you created are listed one after the other. Once your groups are created, you will have to choose how to present these groups to students. First thing to note though is that you can email each user in the group by clicking on the chevron next to the group name and clicking Email Group. From there, you will be brought to a page where you can customize the email as you wish. Now, the side menu in each of your Blackboard courses should have a link for groups, but if it doesn't, you will have to create one yourself. All you simply have to do is go to the side menu to the left, and on the top, click on the plus sign and add a tool link. Give it the name Groups. Select Groups under Type, and make sure the link is available to users. If you have any other questions regarding groups, be sure to contact the Kingsborough Center for e-Learning.